Okay, we are heading back over, and now we're gonna move some of that dirt that we had dug up with that post hole digger. So, battery's a little low, so gotta get this started. Of course, working in a battery lab, I'm gonna use a lithium ion jumper pack because it's very energy dense. I've had this thing for about, I don't know, 10 years. No, probably like 7 years. See how much juice I got. Help it out a little bit. I don't like doing that, but some water got in there. That's why it's doing that. But it's a diesel engine, and it's strong enough to not break if there's water. One cylinder is actually really wet. Oh, it's so close. Come on. Oh man, you missed it. Darn it. My bad. did a good job. It looks like I did a good job scraping up that spot where the gate is. It's definitely filled with water after a rain. It's the rainy season right now. So I'm guessing I'm not going to be able to get it dry unless I do something drastic like run a trench. Even then, I don't know, because the water needs to go from over there to a pond, the pond over here. I got a gate where the pond is. Can you see that? So that's what's going on right now. Let me get this old tractor back over to dry land. How did that work? I purposely waited for a rainy day. Let's see if that works when that water clears out. Alright. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Wait. It's going to help the channel. It's going to help me to grow the channel and then provide better content, and it helps with editing, because that's a task in itself. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. So I wanted to just take care of this in the meantime while I have the tractor going with the blade on it. If you have a tractor, there are so many uses for it. It's so useful around the farm. While I was clearing the space for the gate to open, the path from the gate up to the house needed to be cleared too. So why not start it? I'm not going to complete it, but might as well get it started.